Hey guys, Vanmate here. How you all doing? So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the retail unit of iPhone 16 Pro. I have the 256 GB natural titanium variant. I have already unboxed it for transferring my data, but I'll show you the entire experience and what we get in the box with a simple overview. So as soon as you open the box, we have the device faced on the back, and we can see the beautiful natural titanium color here. The phone looks really pretty in this color. I would say it was introduced last year with the iPhone 15 Pro, and they have continued this color, and personally I think I like this color more with all the other colors which are there. And another thing that we get in the box is the braided USB type C to C cable along with the sim ejector tool. As you can see, very nice quality cable and a very simple packaging. And apart from that, the only thing that we have here is paperwork. There are no Apple stickers from this time around, so we'll keep all of this in the box as it's a very simple unboxing. We don't have many things in it. And now we'll just take a look at the phone for a second. So we remove the front cover which is there on the screen, and as you can see, the phone, we already have installed a screen guard on it because I had to transfer the data from my previous device. But as you can see, this natural titanium color prints extremely premium in hand, and it looks really good. I have been having darker colors with me. This is the new triple camera setup with the 48 MP fusion camera available. And on the front, on the top, as we can see, there is nothing. On the right side, the infamous camera button which is there, and the power button. As you can see, on the bottom we have the speaker grills, microphone, and the USB type C port. And on the left here we have the action button, volume buttons, and the SIM card tray. Now powering the device on, as you can see, it will not power on as it has been already used for some time. But the in-hand feel of the phone is exactly the same. It is slightly bigger than the previous Pros. It is 6.3 inches now as compared to 6.1 till last year. But it does not feel that much, bigger. It gives one of pretty much similar experiences. And this is the home screen. As you can see, very nice, very fluent. This is the 120 hertz ProMotion display from Apple, and this is running on the iOS 18. Apple Intelligence and everything else is yet to come on the device, but this is the device in its entirety, and this is how you enter the camera with the camera control button. As you can see, it is a lot of learning curve to this particular button, and I will share a separate video on the same. But this is a new addition, a newest addition in this device in this year, and I am hopeful that this will help people more, and what Apple has intended to do. And yeah guys, this was a short unboxing video, as you can see, and I will bring in more such videos in the next couple of days. You can write in the comments what you want to know, and I will ensure that the video for the same comes. So yeah guys, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.